Hi everyone, hope you are doing great. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we can link the text in Microsoft Excel. And for that, if you have a look at my spreadsheet, I have my first names written in the column C and my last names written in the column B. And I want to link both of these names in the column D. So for that purpose, I have two methods to do this task. The one is by using the function, the concat function, and the other method is by using the formula, right? The formula using the ampersand. So I will write my full name by using the concat, and I will write my emails using the ampersand method, right? So let's first have a look at concat. So whenever you have to write a function, a first thing that we need to press on MS Excel on the cell is the equals, right? So I'm pressing my equals, I'm writing my CON for concat, I'm pressing my tab to select the function, right? And here you will see that it requires my text 1 to be selected. So I want my first name to go first, so I'll select my Stevie. I'll write my comma, and one thing to remember is that the functions in MS Excel is like mini programs, so we need to tell them exactly what we want to get out of the function, right? So what I want is to have a space between the first name and the last name. So there is a method to tell Excel that we want the space. So what we're going to do is write the quotation mark. I'm writing my quotation mark, I'm pressing my space to tell Excel that I need space between the names, and I'm closing my quotation mark right here, right? And the next thing, I will again write my comma, and I will select my other text that I want to come after my first name. So I want my last name come last, so I'll select my last name and I will hit my enter, right? So this is my full name, and what I need to do next is to double click the fill handle to copy the formula down till the last row, right? This was the method by using the concat function, and what I need to do with the email is by using the formula. And for the formula, like for example, the email of the employees is their first name, the dot, their last name, and which is followed by @gmail.com. So for that purpose, I need to type my equals. First of all, I'll need to select my Stevie because this is the first thing that will come in the email, and I'll write my ampersand. I will write the dot in the quotation mark, and then again I'll write my ampersand, and then I'll select my last name, which I want right after the dot, okay? And then again I'm writing my ampersand, and now I have to write @gmail.com. So this is a particular specific command that I want to give to the Excel. So I will write it in the quotation mark. Here's my quotation mark, here's my here's my gmail.com, and I will close my quotation marks and press my enter. So yeah, this is the email of the employees, right? So what I need to do next is to double click the fill handle to copy the formula down till the last row, and here is my full names and emails complete by using two different methods. Please have a look at the differences. Please have a look at the syntax of both the methods to make sure that you actually get it right. In my next video, I'm going to talk about how we can change the cases, right, in MS Excel. You can see my full name, which is like very unusual, which there is no distinction in the cases. It's like not normally written like that, right? So in my next video, I'll talk about how we can change the cases, the uppercase, lowercase, using the formula, right? So stay tuned for my next video. I create videos on the topics of accounting and the Office 365 and make my lessons easy to understand. One job done, more to go.